Hello everyone, welcome to Mike Muse's Megazords. Today's video is issue 99 of the Altaya Megazord build, and today is the day that we finished the Triceratops. So let's get rid of our packaging, do our parts check, and we can get started. So we've been here before. We've got 99.1, which is the outer structural piece, 99.2 the inner. 99.3 is this blue cover cap. Let's line these up down here. 99.4 is this white piece here. 99.5 is two cover caps on sprue. 99.6 is, I believe, this black cover cap. 99.7 is this cover cap with silver edges. And then 99.8 is our hardware pack, which is 5 plus a spare 2.3 by 6mm screws. So let's count these out. 2, 4, 6. Parts check, all good. Over the page we go and let's get started. Right, so the first thing we need to do is bring in the previous outer body assembly from issue 79. And we're going to attach that with clips to the internal structural piece here. So we've got our body here, and then what we're going to be looking to do is, let's see if I can work this out. Okay, so it's going to slide into place like this. So, for reference, what we're looking for is these two sections here, 1 and 2, will slide into place on these rail sections here and here. So what we'll do is we'll line them up. You've got, this section will sit underneath here. So, push it all the way in for the moment. And then what we're going to do, so that's section A complete. Section B, we're going to be putting the tail assembly together with the big structural assembly we did in issue 77, along with this issue, and then attach it with 2 screws, which will go through this hole and this hole. So, let's put this down to one side, just move the magazine out of the way, bring in Triceratops body. This side there, and then we've got our tail assembly with the red section uppermost, so we'll put that into place first like that, and then we should be able to line up our 2 connection ports here and this part here with the tail. And in doing so, what we need to do is make sure that these posts here drop into place on the rails just here to enable the slide mechanism to work. So we'll put that in, press this together, and that's the body part assembly complete. And now we'll turn him on his side and put these 2 screws in place. So that's the first one done there. Now the second one. Okay, so that is section B complete. Bring this back in so we can see. So section B complete, we've added the side section and the tail. So we've now got this fully assembled. On to section C, we're going to take the outer structural piece, line it up and put it in place, and then we're going to attach it with 3 screws, which will be here, here and here. which should correspond to connection ports here, here, and here. So it'll press into place first of all, so we're confirming that everything's good, and then another 3. So let's do the back one first. Now the middle. And finally, the one at the front. And that is section C all complete. So on to section D. Let's put him onto his legs, onto his wheels, and we'll just pull the treads out and make sure that the mechanism is working as it should do. Yeah. And we know it works on this side as well. There. Very stable. Good stuff. Right, so on to section D. We've got this white cover cap here, well, not cover cap but decorative piece, which will slide on, and as you can see we just lost that down his neck frill, so let's get that out, and we'll attach this with a little bit of glue just to keep it in place. Okay, that's done. So section D done. Section E, we're going to be taking our 2 pieces off the sprue and we're going to be using them to cover up 2 of the screw. Where are they going? Ah yes, they're going into here for some decorative. Right, so grab your cutters, make sure to take these off very carefully. There's one. And there's 2. And as usual, grab a sharp knife to do the cleanup with, if necessary. Be very careful with sharp knives. First one's done. Now the second one. So these two will only go into individual holes here, but I'm going to take the smaller of the 2 and it will go into this one here. We'll just press that into place. And then the larger of the 2 will slide into place in this one here. Cool. Okay, so those are in. That's why. So that's section E done. On to section F. We've got our 2 black cover caps doing screw cover duties here. So the one with the silver accents is pushed into place on the back here, and the one with the just a standard black one, goes into place. There. So that's F done. Over the page onto the last part of this assembly of this lovely Triceratops build is the final cover cap here, which hides the screw assembly joint at the front, and that just drops into place like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your Triceratops Dinozord fully complete. Look at it, what a beauty. Very nice. And that is it for issue 99 of the Altaya Megazord build. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Any questions or comments on this build, please drop them in the comment box below. Otherwise, we'll see you for issue 100 of the Altaya Megazord build when we finally return our attention to the Tyrannosaur. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.